and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today, Eva is going to show us how to create this lovely alien makeup. So if you want to know how, please keep watching. To start out, Eva put in her black sclera lenses and a bald cap very loosely on her skin, and now with a few different colors of face paint by Superstar, she is making the base of the alien. As you can see, it is just some random spots of face paint, different colors mixed and matched until there is a beautiful base for this alien. So I will link to all the products used in the description box down below, but there is Eva'a, there is baby pink, here is a light blue, there is also a purple gonna be in the base of the makeup. And as you can see, the more colors are mixed and matched, the more beautiful the base of our alien gets. So the dark pink is used kind of to contour the face as well, and is also going on the eyes. When all the colors are on there, it is time to put some white in for the highlight. So that is the forehead, the chin, the nose, a bit on the cheekbone as well. And that finishes the base of the alien. This one is Diamond FX Black, and Eva uses this to create very nice shapes around the eyes. So just put some lines in there until you think it looks good. So both sides of the face get different lines, and Eva told me she enjoys it when it can just be whatever comes out of her hands, and I think this one looks beautiful. So well, that is actually a good tip. The black is on the eye part of the makeup, and Eva also puts an outline on her lips in the black color, a bit of silver to make it more into an alien makeup. Finally, some star blend on the inside of the eyes, in the corner of the eyes, to create a bit more depth in the eye, and a bit of white star blend as well for an extra highlight. Time to put on the wig, and Eva chose a white wig for this one, and as she put it on her head really high, it really changes the shape of her face. This is white by Diamond FX as well, just to put some highlights in the makeup. And as you can see, that really makes it, the black lines pop from her skin. And that already completes Eva's alien makeup of today. Well, we really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all our videos.